79% of my subscribers say they want money that grows even on days I Dan T post. So today, in the grand finale of our 30-day AI Side Hustle Challenge, I'm gifting you a step-by-step system to spin up an evergreen affiliate engine, ultralight review blogs, auto-written by GPT-4, SEO optimized by Surfer's free content editor, it's published on a $2 month hostinger plan, and monetized through Amazon Associates plus HideaKit SaaS referrals, so while you sleep, your AI articles rank, attract searchers, recommend your own digital products, and funnel brand new eyeballs back to your YouTube channel, compounding subscribers, views, and revenues simultaneously. Here's how we'll do it in one focused sprint. First, craft a fast curiosity spiking hook for this video ready. If a single blog post could pay your phone bill on autopilot, would you write one today? Type YES in the comments right now if you're in. I'll heart the first 50 responses, and that boosts the algorithm. Thank you. Now, step 1. Keyword goldmine. Open ChatGPT and prompt. Act as an affiliate SEO. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.